Hi, in front of me is REALME Q2 and today I would like to show you how you can change icon style on this device. Firstly, open Settings. Now choose Home Screen and Wallpaper, scroll all the way down and tap on Set Icon Style. Over here, pick one of the options and tap Apply. You can also go back, choose Custom and customize your icon style. When you're done, tap Apply. As you can see, style of my icons has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!